Good morning, students. Today we will read chapter 21 and 22 from our GK book. Chapter 21 is Proverbs. Proverbs refer to a well-known phrase or sentence that suggests us that something is generally true. So here are some of the well-known incomplete proverbs in column A and match them with the column B to complete them. So we have to complete the proverb by matching them. So first one is absence makes the heart. Absence makes the heart grow fonder. And second B is action speaks. Action speaks it is fifth one, louder than words. Action speak louder than words. Louder than words. Third C is beauty lies in the. Beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. Beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. It is C. Birds of a feather. D. Birds of feather flock together. Birds of feather flock together. Fifth one is charity begins at. Charity begins at home. Charity begins at home. F is every clouds has a. Every clouds has a silver lining. Every clouds has a silver lining. G is a fool and his money are. A fool and his money are soon parted. Soon parted. H, a friend in need. A friend in need. A friend is a friend indeed. A friend in need is a friend indeed. I, all that glitters. All that glitters. Where is I? Is not gold. All that glitters, all that shine is not gold. Next one is half a loaf is better. Half a loaf is better than no bread. Half a loaf is better than no bread. K, make hay. Make hay while the sun shines. L, home is where the heart is. Home is where the heart is. M, don't judge a book by its cover. Don't judge a book by its cover. N is a rolling stone. A rolling stone gathered no mosses. A rolling stone gathers no moss. Last one is a stitch in time. A stitch in time saves 9. A stitch in time saves 9. So these were the some proverbs that you have matched. Now chapter 22, Author's Gallery. Author's Gallery. Here is some books. You have to match the author from the book. God of small things. The God of small things. Says Arundhati Roy. God of Small Thing is Arundhati Roy. Alice in Wonderland, Lewis Carroll. Discovery of India, Jawaharlal Nehru. Who wrote the Discovery of India? Jawaharlal Nehru wrote the Discovery of India. And Romeo and Juliet, William Shakespeare. It is William Shakespeare. Train to Pakistan, Khushwant Singh. My Experiment with Truth. It is written by Mahatma Gandhi. Gulliver's Travel, Jonathan Swift. And last one, The Adventures of Tom Sawyer. It is Mark Twain. So these are some book, and you have find the author's name with the book. So complete these 2 chapters in your book and note both and learn it also. Good day, students.